Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to start circumference and area of a circle, that means exercise 16.3. For the previous one 16.1 and 2, please check the description box, the link will be there. Okay, so guys, here I'm going to start from sum number 1. Okay, find the length of the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 44 centimeter. So guys, suppose this one is a circle and this one is the radius. Suppose R is the radius. So first let here radius be R. Okay. Then here the circumference. So here the formula of circumference, that is, that 2 pi r. Okay, as a centimeter, so 2 pi r centimeter. Now according to the problem, that means ATP 2 pi r, that one equal to here 44, it's given. So here r equal to, you can write down 44 by 2, then 1 by pi. Now you know that the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. So let's put down the value here. So 42 by 2 into here 7, sorry, this one here 22 and write down 7 here. So 2 cancel out with this one, it becomes 22, then 22 cancel out, that one equal to 7. So as here radius equal to 7, then diameter equal to 2r. Okay, remember that diameter is the double of radius. So that means here 2 into 7, that one equal to here 14 centimeter as your answer. Now next one, number 2. Here in number 2, find the radius and area of a circle. Its circumference is 18 pi. So here suppose radius is r, that means 2 pi r equal to 18 pi. So here pi cancel out, 2 cancel out with 9, 8, it becomes 9. So here r equal to 9. So that is the first answer. Okay, radius equal to here 9. Now here area, so area equal to here the formula pi r square, then here centimeter square. So pi means 22 by 7, r square means here 9 into 9. Okay, so that means here you can write down 81, or instead of 22 by 7 you can also write down pi. So 81 pi centimeter square as your answer. Now next one, sum number 3. Find the perimeter of a semicircular plate of radius 3.85. So here perimeter means here, if this one is a semicircular, so here the formula to find out the perimeter, as radius is r. So here pi r, that means this portion is pi r, then this one r, and then again r. So pi r plus 2r is the perimeter or the circumference of a semicircle. Remember that pi r plus 2r is the perimeter or the circumference of a semicircular object or plate here. So as here r equal to 3.85, so here perimeter equal to, you can write down perimeter equal to, if r will be common, it's pi plus 2. So as here r 3.85, here pi means here 22 by 7 plus 2. Okay, that means here 3.85. And now next, as here 20, here 22, so here 7 is LCM, so 22 plus here 14, so 3.85 into here 22 plus 14, that one equal to here 36 by 7, your final answer 19.8 centimeter. Okay, 19.8 centimeter. Now next one, sum number 4. In sum number 4, find the radius and circumference of a circle whose area is 144 pi centimeter square. So suppose here radius be r. So you know the formula of area, it's pi r square. And according to the problem, pi r square equal to 144 pi. That means here pi cancel out. So r square equal to 144, then r equal to here 12 centimeter. So radius equal to 12 centimeter, your first answer. And next one, you have to find out the circumference. So here the circumference equal to 2 pi r. that means 2 into here pi, and then r means here 12. Now sum number 5. A sheet is 11 centimeter. Okay, so here long is 11 centimeter and 2 centimeter wide. So here wide equal to 2 centimeter. Circular pieces 0.5 centimeter in diameter. Okay, so this one here diameter are cut from it to prepare disc. Calculate the number of discs that can be prepared. Okay, so that means first you have to find out the total area of the sheet. So here area equal to area of the sheet, that equal to here 11 into 2, that means 22 centimeter. Clear? Now as here circular piece 0.5 centimeter in diameter, so suppose here this one is the sheet and that is 11, that one is 2, and here if this one is the circular disc like in this way, so as here diameter is 0.5, so that means you can consider this one a square. Okay, so here the square and the side of that square is 0.5, side of that square is 0.5. So here you can write down the side of each square, that one equal to here 0.5 centimeter. Okay, so that means here area of each square, that one equal to here 0.5 into 0.5 centimeter square, here also square. So now the number of disc equal to 22 by 0.5 into 0.5, that will equal to a 22 into 10, again 10, then divided by 5 and then 5. So 5 cancel out this one, again this one, so 88 is your answer, because you know that number of discs will be equal to number of square cut out. Now next, sum number 6. The area of a semicircular region is 77 centimeter square. So as here total circle, area of total circle equal to pi r square, and as here semicircle, so that equal to pi r square by 2, and according to the problem that one equal to 77. So here r square equal to 77 into 2 and then 1 by pi. Okay, so as here 77 into 2 and 1 by pi means here you could write down 7 by 22. So here 11 7 and this one here 11 2, then 2 cancel out, so it means here 49. So here r square equal to 49, so that imply r equal to here 7 centimeter as your radius. So now here you have to find out the perimeter. This one is a semicircular, so you know the formula, r common then pi plus 2. So as here r equal to 7, pi means here 22 by 7 plus 2, so that one equal to here 7. Okay, if you multiply 7, it becomes here 7 into 22 by 7 plus here 2 into 7. So here 7 cancel out, 22 plus 14, that one equal to here 36. So 36 centimeter is the perimeter. Now next one, sum number 7. In sum number 7, here in figure 1, so this one is the first figure. Suppose this one is a circle and here this is a diameter, another diameter, it's O, this one is perpendicular, it's B, this one here D, C, A. Okay, so here in the figure 1, AC and BD are two perpendicular diameter of a circle ABCD. Given that the area of the shaded portion, so this portion is the shaded one, this one and this one. Okay, given that the area of the shaded portion is 308 centimeter square. Okay, calculate the length of AC and also the circumference of the circle. Okay, so as here the area of the shaded portion is 308 centimeter square, and as here r be the radius, first let r be the radius, that means here OA, OD, OB and OC all are the radius of the same circle, it's r centimeter. Okay, so here this portion, suppose here AOB, so AOB, this portion is the 1/4 of the circle. Okay, I repeat, here AOB is the 1/4 of the circle. That means here you know the formula is pi r square. So pi r square by 4, and again COD also the 1/4 of the circle. So again here pi r square by 4. Okay, and that one equal to here 308. Now pi r square by 4, pi r square by 4, that one equal to, you can write down pi r square by 2, that one equal to here 308. So now here r square equal to 308 into 2, and then here 7 by 22. Okay, so from that one r square equal to here 196. So as r square equal to 196, then r equal to here 14. Okay, so that means here AC equal to 2 into R, so that will equal to 28 centimeter as your first answer. Now next one, you have to find out the circumference. So here circumference means 2 pi r, that means here 2 into 22 by 7 into 14, so 7 2, that will equal to 88 centimeter as your second answer. Now next, sum number 7b, part 2. In part 2, here AC and BD are two perpendicular diameter. So again similar kind of here, this one circle, this one here AC, and this one here BD, and this one is 0. Okay, here AC equal to 16, it's given AC equal to 16, then definitely BD equal to also 16, and here AO equal to radius, so 16 by 2, that will equal to 8 centimeter as the radius of the circle. Calculate the area and the perimeter of the shaded part. So shaded part means that this portion. So here you know that the area of this portion AOB plus area of COD. Okay, this portion equal to, you know that, pi r square by 2. So now as here pi means, here you can write down 3.14, because 22 by 7, that equal to 3.14, then 8 into 8 by 2. So 2 cancel out with 8, it 4. Now 3.14 into 8 into 4, it becomes 100.48 centimeter square as your first answer. And now the next one, you have to also find out the perimeter. So as here first you have to find out the perimeter of this portion. Okay, here AB means 1/4 of the what, circumference of the whole circle. Okay, AB means 1/4 of the circumference of whole circle, and then here you have to add AO and then BO. So as here first you have to write down for the circumference here 2 pi r for the whole one, then divided by 4, then plus here r, and again plus here r. So this one is the perimeter of this portion AOB, and COD is as same as AOB, so you can easily multiply 2 with this one to find out the perimeter of the shaded portion. So that one equal to here, it's pi r by 2, then here plus 2r. If you multiply with 2, it becomes pi r plus 4r. So r here common, then pi plus 4. As here r is 8, here pi means 22 by 7 plus 4. Okay, 22 by 7 plus 4. So as here 22 by 7 means, you know that 3.14 plus 4. That means here 8 into 7.14. Okay, 8 into 7.14, so 57.12 centimeter as your answer. Now next, sum number 8. A bucket is raised from a well by means of a rope which is wound round a wheel of diameter. So here the diameter equal to 77 centimeter, the diameter of the wheel. Okay, given that the bucket ascend in 1 minute 28 seconds with a uniform speed of, so here the speed 1.1 meter per second, total time here 1 minute 28 second. Okay, 1 minute 28 second, that means 60 plus 28, it's 88 second. Calculate the number of complete revolution the wheel makes in raising the bucket. So as here diameter equal to 77, so definitely here radius equal to, you know that, 77 by 2. Okay, so that means here circumference, so here the circumference is 2 pi r, pi means here 22 by 7, and then r means here 77 by 2. So 2 cancel out, it's 11. So here 22 into 11, it's 242 centimeter. Okay, 242 centimeter. Now as here 1.1 meter per second. So if you convert meter into centimeter, it becomes multiply with 100. So 110 centimeter per second. Okay, so that means here in 1 second, here it complete 110 centimeter. Then in 88 second, here 88 into 110 centimeter, the total distance. Okay, so that means now you have to find out the number of revolution. So here number of revolution, that one equal to, just divide the circumference with this distance. So here 88 into 110 divided by 242. So first do one thing, 242 divided by 11, it becomes 22, and here it becomes 8. Then again 2, it's 11. Then again 2, it's 4. So here 11 10, that means here 40 revolution. Okay, 40 revolution is your answer. Now sum number 9. A wheel of cart is making 5 revolution per second. Okay, 5 revolution per second. If the diameter of the wheel, so here diameter equal to 84 centimeter, then radius equal to 42 centimeter. So first you have to find out the circumference. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into 42. 7 6 are 42. So it's 264 centimeter as the circumference. That means in one revolution, the wheel covered 264 centimeter distance. Okay, find the speed of kilometer per hour. So as here in 5 second, okay, in 5 second, the wheel of the cart making 5 revolution. Sorry, in 1 second. So it means here in 1 second, the cart covered, here 5 revolution means 5 into 264 centimeter distance. Okay, so first multiply here 5 into 264, it's 1320 centimeter distance. Now you have to find out the speed kilometer per hour. So as here in 1 second it covered 1320, that means here in 3600 second, because 1 hour is equal to with 3600 second. So here your answer 1320 into 3600 centimeter. Okay, so into 3600, that one equal to here 4752 triple zero centimeter. Okay, now centimeter, then here kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. So if you divide it by here 4752 triple zero, 1 2 3 4 5, then it becomes in kilometer per hour. So here 0 0 0 0 0 you cancel out. So 47.52 kilometer per hour as your answer. Give your answer correct to nearest kilometer. So that means here your answer is 48 kilometer. Okay, 48 kilometer. Now let's move on to sum number 10. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel because I need your support. So here in sum number 10, the circumference of a circle is 123.2 centimeter. That means here if r be the radius, then 2 pi r equal to 123.2. So here r equal to 123.2, then here 1 by 2, and then here 7 by 22. Okay, 7 by 22. Now you can write down this one as divided by 10. So as here 22, here 1232. So if you divide 1232 by 22, it becomes here 56. Okay, then divide 56 by 2, it becomes 28. So as here 28 into 7, it's 196. That means here 19.6. Okay, 19.6 is the radius. That is your first answer. Next one, the area. The area of the circle in centimeter. Okay, so here if you want to find out the area, that means here pi, then r square. So as here pi means 22 by 7 and then 19.6 into 19.6. So that one equal to here 1207.36 centimeter square, near about 1207 centimeter square as your answer. And now the third one, the effect on the area of the circle if the radius is doubled. Okay, so as here the area is 1207 here, and if the radius is doubled, so the new radius, suppose this one as r1, here 19.6 into 2, so 39.2 centimeter. Okay, so here the new area, suppose a1, so here 22 by 7, then 39.2, then again 39.2, that one equal to near about 4829.44 centimeter square. Okay, and if you divide this one by the previous area, that means 4829.44 divided by 1207. Okay, it's near about 4 times. Okay, so that means here previous area into 4, that one equal to here new area. Okay, so that is your answer.